Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you aspiring millionaires might find both challenging and intriguing. 5 reasons why the first million is the hardest. Let's get started. Reason number 1, lack of experience. When you're just starting out, you don't have the experience or the knowledge base that more seasoned entrepreneurs and investors have. This means you're more likely to make mistakes and less likely to see opportunities. Experience teaches you how to manage risk, how to spot good deals, and how to avoid common pitfalls. This is something that simply takes time and practice to develop. Reason number 2, limited resources. When you're trying to make your first million, you typically don't have a lot of capital, contacts, or tools at your disposal. You're likely starting from scratch, which means you have to be very strategic with how you use your time, money, and energy. This can make the journey to your first million slower and more difficult. Reason number 3, higher risk. When you're building your first million, the stakes feel incredibly high. One wrong move can set you back significantly, and without a financial cushion, the fear of failure can be paralyzing. As you build wealth, you have more to fall back on, which can make taking calculated risks easier. But in the beginning, every decision feels like it could make or break your future. Reason number 4, emotional stress. The journey to the first million can be incredibly stressful. The pressure to succeed, the fear of failure, and the inevitable setbacks can take a huge toll on your mental and emotional well-being. It's important to develop resilience and maintain a positive mindset, but this is easier said than done when you're facing constant challenges and uncertainties. Reason number 5, breaking barriers. Often, making the first million involves breaking out of your comfort zone and overcoming significant barriers, whether they're personal, financial, or societal. This can mean challenging your own limiting beliefs, learning new skills, or even changing your social circle. Once you've made your first million, you've proven to yourself that it's possible, which can make subsequent millions easier to achieve. So there you have it, the 5 reasons why the first million is the hardest. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on financial freedom and personal development. Remember, the journey to your first million is tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Keep pushing forward and you'll get there.